So guys, let's talk about the circuit diagram first. So here I have used LDR aka light dependent resistor for sensing the light. The LDR and the resistor form a voltage divider. Whenever the LDR gets light from outside, then the infinite resistance value of LDR came to a certain value. For this reason, the transistor 1 became active and it allows current to flow collector to emitter. But our objective is to activate a relay when the LDR is not getting light. So what we need to do is to invert the signal of transistor 1 to run a relay. That's why the transistor 2 is introduced. Let me explain in detail what is going on here. When the T1 is conductive, then all the current flows from VCC to ground through a resistor. Now the tricky part. When the T1 is inactive, then the current comes from VCC and then go to transistor 2's base. As we know, T1 is inactive, so it will not allow any current to flow from collector to emitter. That's why T2 is active in this time and it will drive the relay for external loads. At next, I have converted the schematics to PCB and ordered it from jlcpcb.com. They are one of the largest PCB manufacturers in China. They offer 2-layer, 4-layer, 6-layer PCBs and SMT stencils. Just upload your Gerber file today and get your first in PCBs only for $2. They don't take extra charges for PCB color. Processing time is 48 hours and shipping time also very quick. And you can see the PCB quality. It is just great and I have only paid $2. And now for the component section, I have gone with lcsc.com. They are one of the leading electronic component distributor in China. LCSC provides different type of things such as resistors, capacitors, ICs, modules, RF transistors and much more. And for this project, I have ordered some components from their website. Currently, they are offering $4 off on your first order. But hold on. If you order through my link, you will get exclusive $8 off on your first order. So why you are waiting for? Place your first order from lcsc.com.